What's up, love bugs? It's your girl Small Love back in the cut, and you already know what's up, period. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how I do my hair. Now, keep in mind, I am not claiming to be a hairstylist. I just have been doing my hair for a while, and people are always asking, how do you do it? So I figured, I'm doing my hair, why not record it? So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be applying this HD laced frontal wig from ALIPERAL hair. It's literally the best hair, y'all. Like, so soft. The lace is so transparent, like, love it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. So first I start by putting some powder on the cap just so that it can blend a little better and look more realistic. I usually use a powder that's a little closer to my skin tone, but it broke before this, so I had to improvise with other powder that I had. I don't stress about cutting the cap perfectly because you'll see in my next step I fix it anyway. Camera kept unfocusing, so I tried to cut out as much of it as I can, but just bear with me. And so what I'm doing here is just kind of tacking down the edges of the cap that I cut off, just to make sure that everything blends smoothly and literally looks like skin. As you can see, I've placed dots along my hairline, and this is just to show me where I should stop the glue because I don't want to put too much glue because then that just becomes a headache. Yes, I am aware my real hair is exposed on the sides, but honestly, once I realized it was too late, and don't worry, I know how to take my wigs off to preserve these edges, honey. Got-to-be spray just to add a little more security, and honestly, to me, I feel like it makes it a little more transparent too, but that may just be me. So now I'm just going to take my Q-tip dipped in alcohol and just clean up any excess glue. I am the absolute worst at laying baby hairs, so just bear with me, I'm learning. I apologize for the extreme gum chewing, but don't worry, I'm about to spit it out. Now I'm spraying my hair with the heat protector, getting ready to curl my hair. I'm not going to film me curling my whole head. I'm just going to film enough for you guys to get the picture. pin curls just because I want my curls to stay all night, and so pinning it up keeps the heat intact and allows the curls to really sit. So now that all of my hair is curled, I'm just going to add a little more powder to my lace, and then I'm going to begin to comb out my curls. Okay guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Like I said, I am not a hairstylist. This is just how I do my hair, and it works for me. If you guys want to see more videos like this, also let me know that in the comments, and then please make sure to like, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. If it's not too crazy, I just might do it because I know some of y'all's a little bit crazy, but I still got love for my love bugs. Until next time, yeah.